Hi, everyone. Welcome to New to the Street. I'm Anna Berry. Today, I'm excited to have Dan O'Toole, the CEO of ArriveAI. ArriveAI is transforming logistics with patented technology that seamlessly moves deliveries between people, robots, and drones. Welcome to New to the Street today, Dan.
Thanks, Anna. Hey, I just got to say, I'm glad you got the memo to wear the black and the white blazer right on point. So,
I know, right? We
yeah,
even got the light turtleneck. It's
that's
turtleneck
right.
light. All right. Well,
That's
great
right.
minds think
I,
alike. So
I was just going to say that. So that proves it.
well, wonderful. Why don't you give our viewers a little overview about Arrive AI?
Yeah, thanks. Arrive AI, kind of like what you started with, we're reducing friction between people, robots, and drones. We're working on what we call asynchronous delivery, which means you don't have to be there to receive something. You don't have to be there to ship it. Things happen in the normal course, and then you get a notification. It's all chain of custody driven, heated and cooled cargo area, really securing the future and opening up all kinds of autonomous delivery.
Wonderful. Well, I know you've had a really robust crowdfunding campaign. So are you still seeking additional funds? And if you are, why is now a good time to invest in Arrive AI?
Absolutely. Now is the best time. We're just ready to go public on the NASDAQ, ticker symbol ARAI. We've been working at this for a long time and we're just on the doorstep. We got our S1 filed with the SEC. We think we're on our last turn with that. The NASDAQ, we're really close there and we're going to be ready to go imminently. So if you want to, everybody always wants to get in on a stock before it starts trading, right? This is your chance. We do have a need to continue to raise. We are a low to no revenue company at this point, just getting started with all this new iteration. So investment is really what gives us runway. We're transitioning from a crowd-funded company to a publicly traded, tapping the public access capital. So we are raising. We're currently on pickmecrowdfunding.com, PICMII, and we're Arrive AI is who we are. We are set to end this raise. We just extended it for the very last time. We put a press release out yesterday. We went 70 days out from today. And that is because we don't want to extend anymore. And what we were doing is these small extensions because we felt like it was imminent when we were going to be able to start trading, and we didn't want to be locked into a longer tenure on the crowdfunding, and then that would hold us from going public. But we're able to negotiate the ability to shut the campaign off in real time when we get the go ahead. So that we just did that. So on this raise right now, we've raised 3.2 million, and we have a need right now for about $1 million before we go public. We've raised about 190,000 of that so far of that million. So we're getting in the final stretch here. It's exciting, a lot of energy here, and it's close.
Yeah, well, the clock is ticking. One more time for our viewers. How much longer do we have before you're closing down the fund?
May 15th is the drop dead date, but we're hoping to close it down before that. So I don't know the exact date because we haven't gotten the definitive answer from the SEC as when we go effective so we can start trading. So, but May 15th would be the last day. It is probably going to be before that. And I'm not trying to be evasive. I just don't know the answer to that.
Well, May will be here before we know it. So for our viewers who are interested, what should they do if they are interested in investing? Who should they contact?
You can go to our website, arriveai.com. We've got a tab on there for invest. And that's an easy way to do it. You could go to pickmecrowdfunding.com, and I think we're the #1 raise on that site, so you can do that. Really proud, Anna. We've got over 5,000 investors since we've been in existence through crowdfunding. We've been very successful. The market has realized what we're offering, and they've come to it. So that means a lot. Says a lot.
Well, like you said, the time is now for this company, this technology. We are excited that you're here, and we're excited to follow you along once you go public. So thank you, Dan, for joining us on New to the Street.
Thanks, Anna. Thanks to everybody out there too.
Thanks for watching, everyone.